Hey guys, it's Destin Khartoum. I'm here with another video about Robinhood, and in particular, what we're talking about is the FFIE. That's a security. Here it is. Here, you remember yesterday we finished the day off, and we were, let's see, yesterday was the 14th. We finished the day at 482. Today we finished the day at 922. So we had about a $420 jump. That was part of a Dell call that was closed, and one was reopened. And now we're at 123% on this Dell call. To be honest, I'm not sure what tomorrow's going to hold. I got a call. I believe it's for this Microsoft put spread. I'm not sure exactly what the call is for. I probably have to wait until a little later this evening or tomorrow morning. Either way, this was a name in a hat, pretty much. $7 I paid for the opportunity to win $10,000 from Microsoft. This is a credit spread. So if it falls anywhere between $540 and $640, I could have earned anywhere up to $10,000 with an expiration date of 9/19/2025. These out of the money options get exercise sometimes, and so you just kind of got to hope that it doesn't get exercised and it plays its way through the entire duration. I'm not sure if it's exercise. I know I had something done, but hey, we'll find out. So back to what we were speaking about. We had the FFEI today. They finished the day off at let's see, it's right here, 78 cents. It reached up to 96 and a half cents. That was earlier today. It started off at about 50 cents, and it reduced down to just over 42 cents. It did. So if you were in here earlier today and you got a call in, then your call returned over 100%. I had a situation where I was in here earlier today. I got a call in for 13 cent, and it was okay. But that's when it got up to about 70, somewhere around this area. So I still have some outstanding calls. I'm thinking of whether I should just go ahead and close those out, purchase options, and close those out and free up my stocks. Um, Either way, here we are. The options, I'm at 639 negative. And that just means that I pay 55 cents a piece for these stocks, and so anything over 50 cent is not mine, and that's considered losing. So anything over 50 cents is not mine. So the stock right now is at 77 cent. I only get paid 50 cent per share, and I don't get paid the entire 77 cents. So that 27 cents per share at 1,200 shares, um, that is what we're looking at there as far as the loss. You'll see that that's made up on the stocks. We'll look at, these are the options. Um, let's see, here's the return on the stocks here. So on the stocks, I'm up 871. But on the options, I'm down 639. So that brings a net positive $232. So $232 is positive. That turned out well. I want to remind you that this is a $50 investment, and now it's well over um, a value of $200. Well, actually, it should be more than that, if I'm not mistaken. But it $50 investment, and here we are here now. So um, once these are closed out, I keep the difference of whatever's there. What I would like is for them to just exercise the options. That would be a lot easier for me. It will benefit me a lot more because I have 1,200 shares and I will get 50 cents per share, and so that's about $600. That's what we're hoping to have happen. Um, so that's good. Another one I want to touch on here is the Dell. I don't want to beat on it and bring too much attention to it. It's been good to me. Earlier today, I closed out a Dell, and I have one open here for 126, which is a 76.83% increase. Dell moved up the market to about $150 today. These are $150 calls. These are calendar spreads. So uh, you'll see here I purchased at 65 and 99, and here we are today and at their price points. So these are a good option. It's up $126. That brings a 76.83 return. And so there we have it. Everything is looking good here. I had a few orders that's placed in today. I don't see it. Um, so yeah, so that's about it. Everything is looking good. So you see the transactions that happened today. Every night is a little bit different. The markets open at different times. So you just kind of, the market opens at one time. And when the markets close, you just have to wait till the next day to see where you land. I did make one investment that I just don't know about, and it is a FFIE calendar spread. That's a bit scary right now. It's showing 11 cents, but it's been down to 2 or 3 cents. Here it is, the highest at 17 cents, and it's been fluctuating. Even at 11 cents, I had an open order to possibly sell at 9 cents, and none of it was filled. So that's a bit scary. Now, I just weighing this one out. Break even points are 33 cents and $13.28. So it has a ways to go for the break even point as far as expiration. Do I think that FFIE is a pump and dump? Not at all. It's very volatile, and that's something that you have to be wary of. I had this in my retirement account. I opened a 401k not too long ago. That I just always call it 401k retirement. So here it is here for a day here. My total value is $234, and I paid $15. This is off of $15. Um, so that's this here. So I've been purchasing for a day for better half of a month now, just because I like what it's about. I like the name. It's an EV, something that I care about, and and to see that it's moving at the momentum that it has, it's exciting. So these calendar spreads, um, I just I, I think a good thing of it. I just hope that it's here to stay. Not too long ago, 2021 and things like that, for our day was up at about $2,000 a share. It had a one really good peak. You'll see that it went from 595 up into 1804 back in 2022. So, and then it kind of went down again. Now, I don't want this to be that type of run where it just goes down and then it drops and falls off. If you think that that's going to happen, you may want to look into put options. Put options are a good way to maximize the downside. So you see here that that's happened before in the past, where it kind of just went up and then it went down and had some bumps and hills. It went up, went down, bumps and hills. Same here, went down, had some bumps and hills. This one here, the line is just kind of too hard to tell how far we are in these bumps and hills. This is over like a week period though. So you see that this one here started on like in May and ended in early July. So for about a month or so, it had its fair share of ups and downs. Um, this one here, um, this one here, not so much. It went up and it just kind of shot up, and it's about 2 weeks that it was up and down, though it is high peak at a certain period. Um, Same here. So thing is that we have those open options, and those options, they pay not too much money for me, and if the price go down, they could lose out, and so we hope that they exercise it, and we'll see how that goes.